Hi everybody, this is Hugo with Golden View Renovation, joining you guys live from beautiful sunny Los Gatos, California. And I'm here today to give you guys a special insight on a three-phase project all executed by myself and my team, consisting of a 337 square foot master suite addition, a 225 square foot ADU build out, and a front and back landscape and hardscape project. Follow me this way and I'll show you guys some more. Let's go. Welcome to the master suite area. This 220 square foot primary bedroom literally was built from the ground up. It has a unique vault which was designed by our in-house architectural team. All the areas have custom blinds, French door leading to the back patio, French door leading to the master bathroom area. All engineered floors throughout the place as well, and mass loaded vinyl inside of this drywall, which literally makes the area soundproof from the rest of the home. Now let me take you guys into the master bathroom area. This unique bathroom has integrated heated floors throughout the entire bathroom. It has a freestanding tub with an independent fixture, as well as a walk-in shower with a bench, a rain head, and a wall-mounted fixture. One of my favorite personal touches of this bathroom in specific is the custom fabrication of all the porcelain slabs that we did that covers the entirety of the floors, as well as this accent wall here. This vanity as well is a beautiful touch. It is a floating vanity with an LED strip, and we also did the custom fabrication of this natural stone for the two sinks here. And it really brings life to this bathroom. Now the exit of our master suite area through these beautiful French doors takes us right into our backyard area. And I'd love to show you guys that next. Welcome to our backyard area, which truly feels like a piece of paradise. We're sitting here on a 400 square foot Trex deck that we built. It's fully equipped with all custom railings throughout in the stairway areas. This deck also has 3 structures that are sitting on it. It has 2 pergolas and 1 pavilion. The pavilion here in the middle has a fully functional kitchenette sitting under it. And to my right over here is the jacuzzi area, ready for relaxation. Welcome to our 225 square foot ADU. It's sitting on a raised foundation from the build up. It's fully equipped with an infrared sauna, kitchenette, living area, fully functional bathroom, mini split unit, and water heater. Come on in, let's check it out. So this ADU in specific is actually one of my favorite of the many that I've built. Having an ADU on one's property is tremendously beneficial if you want to rent it out, or if you just have a family or friend staying over, gives them a place to stay. And it's something that we're working on more and more here in the area. This has been Hugo with Golden View Renovation. It's been a pleasure of mine to show you guys around our 3-phase project that we executed here in Los Gatos, California. Only a while back, this was only a vision to my client, and I've had the beautiful ability to bring it to reality. If any of you out there want to experience the same kind of journey, I look forward to working with you.